Happy Sunday. I'm driving again today. Got all of my stuff. Glasses, check. Purse, check. Heat bag, check. Taser charged. Check. Good day. Alrighty. Back at it again. In a good mood. I know where I'm going now, so I know I have to go to the hot spots. So if I start with that, hopefully I can get a good trip, and today would be a good day. We'll see. So I'm on my way to drop off my first order. It took about 30 minutes to get the first one. When I got in the car, the freaking bag ripped. So I don't know, do I go back and get another bag, or just, I don't know. I'm going to just drop it off, and hopefully it won't be a big deal. Okay, I had another drop-off that was at, this time was at an apartment. And the messed up thing is none of the numbers were shown on the house that I was going to. There were numbers on the ones, like across and around it, but not the one that I was looking for. But I did find it. I forgot to read to see whether I'm supposed to knock on the door. I'm not doing good at this. I might need to find something else. And then two, I realized that in order to get jobs, I have to drive to the next location. So that's a lot of driving. I don't know. We'll see. It could just be because it's a Sunday. Today's been super, super, super slow. I think maybe I've done like 4 or 5 rides, deliveries, but it's been like every time I move to what they said hotspot is, when I get there, it ain't hot no more. I think I'm gonna stop because like I'm just driving around now, and it's been like I started around 11. It's 2, so if there was a lunch immediately after church, maybe that's done. I may come back out for dinner, but I don't know. We'll see.